Let's get a little nerdy about energy rates. When MPE starts talking about electric rates or rate design, it can either send members into a panic or put them to sleep. It's our responsibility to charge rates that are reasonable. We want members to understand what goes into their bills. Each month's electric bill reflects more than usage. It's the product of careful rate design that funds the systems, people, and planning that keep electricity safe, reliable, affordable, and sustainable. We've brought in our energy enthusiasts to help demystify where your money goes each month. Meet Safety First Sam.
For me, safety isn't just about avoiding accidents. It's about making sure the system is built and maintained the right way. I know that MPE is investing in wildfire mitigation and system maintenance to keep my family safe year-round. And if work happens near my property, I know I can get clear answers early, not be left wondering what's going on. I know these safety investments help reduce wildfire risk and prevent outages before they happen, making them an important part of my rate that's worth paying for. Plus, in the long term, these investments keep my costs affordable and our system safe. For me, when MPE talks about safety, it means protecting our community and building a system that works safely for the long term.
Meet budget-savvy Bridget.
I don't mind paying my fair share for reliable power. I just want to know my co-op is doing its part to control what it can. I know that MPE designs its rates using a cost of service study, which tells MPE how much money they need to cover all expenses and how much energy people like me use. This data helps MPE structure rates so that I'm paying my fair share for what it costs to serve me. The co-op also helps manage costs through automation, innovation, and efficiency. MPE's rebates, usage tools, and efficiency programs help me take control of my own bill. At the end of the day, I just want transparency, accountability, and simple ways to keep my energy costs in check.
Meet reliability buff Frank.
When the power goes out, it doesn't just shut off the lights. It interrupts everything. I don't want complicated explanations. I want fewer outages and faster restoration when they happen. I signed up for Smart Hub outage alerts, and their online outage map is updated automatically. And if my power isn't back after a couple of hours, I can call Mountain Parks. I feel good knowing MPE's rates include investments in programs like system upgrades and vegetation management that help prevent outages and limit costly restorations. I was glad to hear that in 2025, MPE completed an aerial inspection of the entire overhead system to identify potential issues before they cause outages, and they continue to inspect about 10% of poles each year to keep the system strong. Reliable power keeps life running smoothly, and that's what matters most to me.
Finally, meet eco-friendly Alex.
I care about clean energy. I also care about my bill. I believe sustainability and affordability can go hand in hand. MPE helps make that possible through smart planning and programs that support renewables without pushing costs higher. They've helped my family save with rebates for an energy audit, insulation upgrades, and a heat tape timer. I even joined the Clean Power program to support local renewable and electrification projects because I want to help others stabilize their energy costs and help the environment. It's one small way I can help MPE power a cleaner, more resilient future for all of us. Through MPE's partnership with Guzman Energy, MPE is planning for a future where their power supply will meet the state-mandated 80% renewable by 2030. So families like mine don't have to choose between sustainability and affordability.
Safety, affordability, reliability, sustainability. These values are at the foundation of everything MPE does. When members like Sam, Bridget, Frank, and Alex speak up about what matters most, MPE listens, and that collaboration shapes how we plan and set rates. Together, we're building an energy future that protects people, keeps power dependable, manages costs wisely, and makes progress toward a sustainable tomorrow.